Hi everyone, it's finally here. Today I received my Mi 8 Lite. I've been waiting for a long time. I ordered it from AliExpress as soon as the global version went live, and I had to wait for 30 days for it to arrive in the UK, but it's finally here, and for a really good price. I think even after custom duties it's probably around £220, so still was a bit cheaper than buying it from the UK. I went for the blue 64GB from, and why not the 128? We'll see later that you can use a 64 gig SD card or micro SD card to top up the memory, so there's no really need to spend the extra amount on the 128 if you don't need this. Use the second SIM card. Why I'm excited about this device: great design, really powerful mid-range processor, camera is supposed to be really good, decent screen, and the notch is much smaller compared to the Mi 8, which I've used before. But also USB-C fast charging. Doesn't come with a fast charger out of the box, but you can easily do that with one of those anchors, for example, with QC 3.0 support. And check the link in my video description if you're interested in one of those. So let's get unboxing. I've already removed the plastic to save time, but the device is still unused. Let's have a look. Here's the box. Here you go. Mi 8 Lite in blue. Look at this amazing Aurora blue, as they call it. And you can see here the specs: 24 megapixel selfie camera, which I don't really care about that much. Care about those more, the 12 megapixel and 5 megapixel depth sense camera, 6.25 with the new aspect ratio and Qualcomm 660. Great stuff. And look at this color. Lovely blue. Let's remove it and let's remove the plastic and power it on. Or actually, before we do that, let's look. Here's the EU charger and USB-C. Let's have a quick look what's here. Adapter, SIM eject tool, and as usual in real Mi fashion, a case to get you started, which I really appreciate. Don't have to shop for a case. Transparent, show that beautiful blue. Okay, with all the box content removed, let's have a look at the device itself. Camera cover. Here it is. Let's power this on. Show you the screen. While waiting for the screen to start, here is the USB-C, power button, volume rocker, extra mic, camera, fingerprint reader. Still starting. Mi UI 9 out of the box. Yes, English United Kingdom. Treaty region. So this is a good tip for Mi devices. Usually face unlock doesn't work in Europe, I think, yet, so you need to select something like India or Hong Kong. So usually I go for Hong Kong. Let's see. Yes. Next. Okay. There's Wi-Fi and stuff. We'll do that later. So here you go, a quick look at the new Mi 8 Lite. Let me know what you think of the video, read the description, press like, and subscribe for my next video, which will actually be the unboxing the Meizu 16. And that's on the way now from China. Hopefully it will arrive soon. Thank you very much.